Boom. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to Barrookie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to isolate the hamstrings with the Nordic hamstring curl. So in a previous video, I showed you how I do my cable hamstring curls with the cable machine with a small attachment, and that's great, but I also wanted to explore the hamstring curls, and I think I found a great way to do that. Now, typically if you want to do Nordic hamstring curls, you can do it either the wrong way or the expensive way. The wrong way is using a barbell with loaded plates and shoving your heels under there. And in doing so, you can potentially pull the barbell closer to you or push it further away. Also, you have to load up a barbell, which is a lot of work. You don't want to do that. The expensive way is buying a Nordic hamstring curl pad, which takes up space and is just expensive. So we don't want either of them. And I reckon most people have a barbell and a power rack and maybe a pussy pad. So all you're going to need extra is a pad, maybe you already have that laying around, and a block just to scale the exercise. So the reason why I'm using a power rack is because I don't have to load up the barbell with weights, and an added bonus is that the barbell is not going to move anywhere. Now the way we set this one up is we put the J-cups on the opposite side of the power rack than when we are going to do our hamstring curls. That way the J-cups face that way, I'm going to pull this way, so we're basically pulling the barbell into the uprights of the power rack, and that makes it immovable. We're not going to tip the power rack over. We find the right height. For me, that's the lower position. We put the pussy pad onto the barbell. That's basically to protect your Achilles tendon and your calf muscle. And then we use the thicker pad like so, like you can see it here. And we're going to find the place where our heels just are over the barbell, like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to straighten our body and lower ourselves down with the eccentric power of our hamstrings. And in doing so, we're going to load up the hamstrings. Typically, if you've never done this exercise, and for me that's like the third time that I've done this exercise and I'm not very good at it. So we basically want to go to a block in order to not fall face down. That's basically the whole idea. So we're going down, boom. And once we see that our hamstrings can't hold us anymore, we position our hands to fall into the block. In order to have more range of motion, you can also put another barbell here, up higher, and use like rubber bands to decelerate yourself. So we're not going to show that. It's too much work, guys. It's too much work. Okay, so that's the whole idea. Boom, and once you're stronger, I reckon you can also pull yourself upwards. But I think having the eccentric down to the floor is going to be a good prerequisite before we can go and actually concentrically go upwards. So guys, this is how I plan on getting stronger hamstrings and isolating them in order to be good. I hope you now save some money and some time and have a proper idea of doing the Nordic hamstring curl with a power rack and a barbell. So thank you so much for watching. I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace!